Welcome back to Brayla's Universe, and today we're going to be unboxing a Harley Quinn pop figure from Macari, and I'll insert the picture. But before we get into the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you like the kind of content I produce. So we're just gonna jump straight in and we're gonna get to it because I've been eagerly waiting to open up the box. Okay, so guys, if you're looking on the sides here, these are all of the pop figures that I own so far that I've been collecting for not so long, but you know, I've been collecting. And this is my original Harley Quinn, number 34. I got Pennywise for Christmas. Number 782 is Pop Movies, and this is Pop Heroes. And I just got this one February before Birds of Prey came out, and it's the roller derby Harley Quinn, number 307. This is the retro Harley Quinn from DC Superheroes 121, and this is Punk Pop. I bought from somebody at school, and I just had to buy it. I was mad that it didn't come with the box because I don't never take these out of the box, but I just had to. But we're gonna open Cokes. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and I got this from Macari, from a experienced pop seller. So I'm expecting this to be really cool and nice, even though I don't like the outside packaging in the slightest bit. We're gonna use my superhero scissors here, if you can see what it says. Yeah, and we're gonna cut. Oh my God, dude. We finally got it. Okay. Oh. Okay, so it comes in another box. You see this? It says Go Pop LLC. I got both boxes out, and since I can see this one peeking through, and it's my favorite one, so I'm gonna pull it out. Oh my God, guys, look at this. It's perfect. It's perfect, guys. Look, it's number 302 from the Birds of Prey collection of Pop Heroes, and it's from Birds of Prey. If you didn't know that I am super obsessed with Harley Quinn and I love Birds of Prey. Yeah, okay. Now the other one, and I'm gonna show you like pictures of how it was supposed to come. That looks perfect. That looks exactly how it was supposed to come. So I'm gonna like sit this right there. Okay, now we're gonna open this one. Okay. And this is number 306. And this is Roman Sionis from Birds of Prey. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I just found out about this character, Black Mask. Well, not really, but like about like how he really is from the movie Birds of Prey. And I probably got some comic books with him in it, but I never really paid attention because he's not my main focus. It's really Harley Quinn. But I could not pass up on this amazing deal, and I got both of them exactly how I wanted. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you want to see my whole collection, like not just pop figures, like everything, comment in the comment section below, and I will be so excited to show you that. And give this video a thumbs up if you want to hear my Birds of Prey review, because I've been dying to do it, but I didn't want to spoil anything for anybody. But it's been a solid month now. You're good. If you didn't see it, that is not my fault, and that's not my problem. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to come back next time on Brayla's Universe.